Should we start? Okay, thank you. I'll be presenting my screen. So just yeah, it should be visible, right? Okay, that's great. Okay, so good afternoon indeed. So good afternoon, everyone. We are the authors of Chalk-Free Instructions through Hand Gesture, which is bridging the gap between digital education and what does our project is or our research is. So you might face some problems in writing on boards, or like imagine a world where you don't hold chalk for writing. We live in era of 5G networks where everything is just like everything is on fingertips. So we are here with the research that is making hand gestures writing blackboard, where through our research you will write on blackboard, but it will be through your fingertips. It will be through your hand gestures itself. So, as far as it is concerned with the problem statement, so in traditional systems, you had some problems in writing on blackboard through chalk. The problems were like you cannot express your much creativity, or there were like something, there were small blackboards. So now through our research, we are with the new experience of drawing or sharing creativity on the blackboard from far away of the blackboard. So that is what the problem statement of our research is. As far as it is concerned with the traditional systems, there were use of some hardware devices, but through our research, which doesn't involve any of the hardware device, it detects the hand automatically and generates the lines or creativity whatever we want to implement on the blackboard, which is far away from the screen. The system which we have made is cost effective, and it's really affordable for one to implement in any institution. And also some of the objectives which I would like to highlight for our project is like you can draw in air through your index finger or your thumb. You have AI enhanced work if you want to draw a circle, suppose. So you can just wave your hand even though your circle is not good. The AI will automatically detect that it is the shape you're making on the screen is generally a circle or a square. So even though your drawing is not good, our AI will actually understand what you are trying to draw. Not only this, let me tell you the third feature of our research. You have a real-time persistence of drawing. So whatever drawing you're making, or whatever writings you're writing on the screen or far away from the screen, which will be automatically saved and can be collaborated from other people. Also we have this gesture based color selection option, where you imagine like what we are trying to make is we are actually making a blackboard which will work on our fingertips only, right? So we also have color selection procedure in drawing or in writing on the blackboard. So these are the features what makes our research different from the traditional systems. Also, let me tell you how this hand gesture feature is working. You might aware of one of the library which is OpenCV from computer vision, which helps us to identify that the thumb or the finger which user have implemented in the camera is actually he needs to be drawn, right? So color selection, drawing and erasing can be implemented through OpenCV only. Not only this, we will be having a virtual canvas. Now what does this virtual canvas mean is it's like detecting our gestures or our weaving. Next is color selection. Color selection is also done through one of the mechanism in OpenCV library only, and it provides a lot of colors, but generally we have four colors with us in our research, which is blue and red something, right? So this was about the color selection and hand gesture recognition. Also, we have this canvas interaction, the AI one which I told you. It is one of the feature implemented through virtual canvas where gesture are automatically detected, and we did it through variational auto encoders. It is a part of encoders and storage. Like this is what is important feature which we provide to one. You can save the image, or you can you share that image to a person if you want at the same time, right? Also, let me put your eyes onto flowchart, where the first step in our research includes accessing of camera. Once the camera is accessed, it actually captures the camera field, and after capturing the camera field, the user interaction starts generally in the three steps which I told you, right? So the three steps are gesture recognition, color selection, and it will check if the work is saved or not. So even though you are keep on writing, the work will be saved at the same time. Now this user writing and AI enhanced working will be done, right? So yeah, so this AI enhanced work and user writing will be also saved, and color selection will be having different varieties of color, and the document which is saved can be reopened again. So this is how the complete system works seamlessly, right? Also, these are the modules which I already told you, so I feel there is no thing to explain it again. Now, we are actually planning to implement CNN in our system, where we will be having different gesture recognition. Like for now, we only have two fingers implemented. One of it is index finger, and other one is thumb. So in future, we are actually implementing. We are trying to implement some other gesture into it. We are making it multi-model. We are trying to integrate it to some educational institutes which we have. So we are working on this educational integration, because we feel that as far as it is concerned with digital world, so educational institute should be the one who can use this the products in their system. And for now, we do not have any backgrounds. So some people like backgrounds with the blackboard or whiteboard something, right? So we are actually into this background thing as well. So this was all about what we are into, the scope, or we will be making it. Also, these are the results which makes the proof of our research. You can actually see that we have just drawn a line, and the AI has recognized it as a line, right? Even though we don't draw a straight line, AI will identify that you're trying to draw a line, and it will draw a line. Not only this, you can actually see that the numbers or the alphabets have been actually onto the screen, and the color selection mechanism also works fine, and you can save the task and collaborate with anyone at the same time seamlessly if you want. So this was all about what research we have made, and as far as it is concerned with accuracy, let me tell you that the accuracy of the system is more than 80% for now. So as I told you, we are into future scope. We will be making it very seamless in the future, so that educational institute can work with the system and can utilize it for them. So that's all. Like you can have the question and answers now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vedant, sir. Sir, any queries, sir? Questions, sir? And
Yeah. Yes. So, do you have any questions? You can go ahead. I feel there is some network issues with the boards. I can hear you now. Yeah. Yeah, so generally there are different methods to calculate accuracy, but one of it we tried was actually tried printing or tried examining all the alphabets on the screen. So we found that in some cases when it is complex alphabet, let's suppose it is a q, right? So drawing a alphabet q is something, capital q I'm talking about, is generally complex, right? Because we have to wave our hand first and then we have to wave again one line on the o, right? So we find that there is some fault in drawing q, right? So in this way the accuracy was degrading in drawing some of the alphabets as far as it is concerned with the complex alphabet. So we found that yeah, the accuracy of the algorithm, like, or the system is somewhat less for the complex alphabets. In this way we calculated accuracy for like generally all the alphabets and letters and symbols as well. So we find some complex symbols also doesn't give us that satisfactory result. So we are into it, like we are generally, I mean, not we are actually modifying the system, so we are actually into it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I explained you one of the feature which is a part of our project, that is AI enhanced work. So I told you in this slide that if a person, like generally in flowchart we have different type of shapes like square, a circle, or a line. So if you draw a circle on our system, the AI will automatically identify that you're trying to drawing a circle. So even though your circle is not the way it should be, AI will automatically make it as a circle. So this is again one of the feature which makes our project different from others. So for drawing a flowchart, you can actually draw squares, triangles, or whatever shapes you like, and you can write into those shapes. So the AI will actually identify what shape you're trying to draw, and it will automatically understand and draw that for you, even though you have made some mistake in drawing a circle and drawing a square at the same time. Yeah. So multimodal integration actually stands for like integration of different models into one. Like suppose for like for now we have implementation of two fingers only, like the index finger, right? One second, I'll show you that as well. So we have this index finger and the thumb, right? These are the only two fingers which our model understands for now. So multi-model actually means that understanding of all the fingers and integration of that models into one, right? So that thing we will be implementing in future. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'm able to hear you. You can go ahead.
Yeah, please. So you have talked about the AI implementation for this. Does it recognize the text also what you are writing, or it is just the images that have been captured and then that's
Okay. See, identifying text is not a problem because even though you write some text, it will be clear, right? Because see, suppose you write a letter I. So letter I is simple, right? The way you write, but the problem comes when you have to draw a shape, like when you have to draw a circle, right? There the problem comes because you can't draw a circle generally, even though you have chalk in your hand. It is difficult to draw a circle, right? So just when there is difficulty in drawing the shapes, the AI will work and AI will show its task that you're trying to draw a circle, and it will automatically understand and print the circle for you. That's how it will work.
no, that is fine. So there are different symbols also that I use while I teach.
Yeah, yeah,
For
symbols.
example, I have to write a formula for that shape.
Okay, like suppose you want to draw a formula in maths, right? Like, so that thing, yeah, that AI will not understand because for now we only have shapes mechanism. For formula you have to draw it by your hand only, like
So it is not recognizing any symbols in that case, right?
symbols you have to draw. Yes, you have to write it from your hand only.
Okay, fine enough, fine enough. Right,
Okay,
Bhavik,
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Next,
paper ID, please.
yes, sir.
Yeah, any other questions?
No, sir. No.
Okay, thank you so much. It was nice presenting the paper. Thank you and have a good time.
Next paper ID.